Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video.
Okay, the next one. Uber and Lyft drivers win a court case to increase driver pay. You want to look at this one?
Yeah. So they're fighting minimum wage laws, but in this state, the drivers won.
Yep. This is Minnesota.
Oh.
So it is happening in more and more states, guys. Because the last one was Massachusetts, right?
Yeah.
And it's still ongoing in California. So drivers are starting to win, guys. You know what they say? Oh, protests never work. Protests never work. Well, you know what protesting does, guys? Peaceful protesting. It actually makes like media outlets report on this, like
Yeah,
them
bring
writing this.
awareness to the issue.
Yeah, and then those people who are become aware of it are like legislators, people in government, and state leaders who actually care. They'll bring these issues up, like the attorney generals. So, you want to read this?
Yeah. In a windowless room, Uber driver Farhan Badel took the podium in front of a committee of Minnesota state legislators in early May. So he said, "We've been fighting for 2 long years," referencing ride-hailing drivers' battle to get a minimum wage law passed in the state. Said Uber and Lyft, especially Uber, notorious for their shady lobbying, should not be allowed to dictate what becomes law in this state.
Boom. Yeah. So,
What is the new minimum wage for drivers there?
well, I don't think they got minimum wage yet. I think they're just but yeah, even in New York and Seattle, they passed city minimum wage laws too. Yeah, it just says the drivers won. I don't know exactly what they won.
Maybe now it's gonna get, like, it's just starting to get put into place.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, Uber and Lyft categorize drivers as independent contractors rather than employees. This means drivers pay their own expenses, such as gas maintenance and cell phones, and they don't have employee benefits, including health insurance, sick days, and workers' compensation.
Yeah, I don't exactly understand this. But
Oh,
yeah,
it's okay. It's saying we were getting all these check marks. He was gonna sign the bill. So maybe the state capitol signed the bills.
yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's it right now. Oh, they did sign the bill.
Yeah. So I'm
There,
sure, like, pretty soon the new minimum wage is gonna come out.
yeah. Yeah, he vetoed the bill.